friends, it's Shy again. I'm here to do a Stampin' Up! Unboxing. It's a small box. Actually, there was two of them, but it is a few things that I picked up, and I wanted to show you, and I wanted to remind you that at Stampin' Up! We inspire, create, and share. So that comes on every box as a reminder of the wonderful things and the camaraderie that you get with Stampin' Up! You get instant friends, you get an instant family, you get instant creation, creativity, inspiration, and it's just a wonderful family to be with. Okay, so today what I got was the new Christmas time set. And that includes the Christmas rose, and it's a two pack, and it has 13 different stamps inside, and it is the cling set, so it is red rubber, and then you get the Butterfingers. No, I have the Butterfingers. Look at this stamp set. This is gorgeous. It's as big as my palm. It's huge. That is so beautiful. I can't wait to create with that. Okay, so there's the stamp set. And I'll provide, below the video, I will provide all of the item numbers. So if you want to order anything from me, you're more than welcome to. And I will make it easy on you and give you all the item numbers. This is the die set that comes with it. This is the big die that cuts out that whole rose and spray. Beautiful. Okay, and then the paper is to die for. Roses, my favorite, and look at the foil on there. Can you see that foil? Well, I'm hoping it shows up. I can't tell from my angle, but it's beautiful. And this is the flip side. Look at that. That's beautiful in itself. Okay. And you get four sheets of that. You also get this set. Look at that foil. That is gorgeous. And the flip side of that is also gorgeous. Again, 4 sheets of that. Look at this. Law. Roses. I love roses. My house is filled with dried roses. All the roses that my husband gives me, which is frequently, he's a sweetheart, I dry them and I have them sitting out in vases. And people always want to know why I have dead roses. And I said a rose is beautiful even when it's passed away. So, anyhow, here we go. This is just beautiful, and here is the flip side with your pine cones and your berries. So beautiful. I just love it. And again, 4 sheets. So that is the Christmas time bundle. And then I picked up to go with, the wintry season that we have coming upon us. Even though I live in Florida, we only have 2 seasons. We have brown and we have green. Those are our 2 seasons. But I have traveled all over the United States, and I've seen my share of snow. And it's beautiful if you're inside. I prefer to live in Florida. So don't hate me. Anyhow, here is the embossing folder for this soft falling snow. That's a wonderful one. Then I hit up on the clearance aisle. Okay, Stampin' Up! Puts a lot of things on clearance that they are no longer carrying. They've retired them, and they have excess stock that they, want to move out. So I picked up 10 of these. These are the little sweet treats cups, and they're actually food safe. So what I do is I stamp or I put DSP. I stamp or put DSP on top. And then around the sides, I do the same thing. And then inside, I can put a gift or sweet treats or sour treats. And again, I bought 2 packs of those. And this is what it looks like when it comes in the package. So I've got 20 of those, so stay tuned for how I decorate these. Then I bought some of the wooden buttons. These are the gentleman buttons. If I can get the top off. Can't get the top off. There we go. The wooden buttons. I love them. I love buttons. Anyhow, I got 2 of those. Those are on clearance. Those are retired, but nothing says you can't use them. I use my old stash all the time. And then this is new. This is gold glitter enamel dots. I hope you can see how beautiful that glitter is in there. And there's 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large on each sheet. And does it say? No, it doesn't say how many you get. I'll find out and put it in the description down below. Maybe I can show you in the sunlight how the glimmer of the glitter. It's pretty. Then I have the ribbon. I was out of certain colors of ribbon the other day. I needed a black ribbon and I needed a red ribbon, and I didn't have any. And I had to use my stash, which was not Stampin' Up, which is a no-no. But you have to do what you have to do. So I used black velvet and red velvet to make my masculine and feminine cards. You may have seen that video last week. Anyhow, I replenished my stock, so now I have black ribbon and red ribbon. And then I also picked up a beautiful gold ribbon. And then this comes 2 in a pack. It is called Shimmer Metallic, I believe. No, Metallic Ribbon Combo. Beautiful, beautiful. Got all of those ribbons. And then I got, oh yeah, these doilies. These are the last year's in colors. And of course we've retired those colors and now we have our new in colors. But we got these doilies and I thought, well, you know, I still have a lot of that paper. Well, not a lot, but I have some of that paper. I can still use these. And even though it's not current, I bet a lot of you guys have this in your stash too, these colors. And you can always turn it over and use the white side. So it's a win-win situation for me. And it was very well marked down. So I got that. And then I also got this, You Always Deliver. And it's time to start thinking about, you know, tipping our drivers, UPS and FedEx, that bring us our wonderful supplies. And they come a long way to get to me. I live way out in the country, and I'm on a dirt road, so they have to, you know, they have to get here. And it's not an easy task, so they do. They come, they always deliver, and that's what this stamp set is called, You Always Deliver. And so I'm excited to make them a gift and take one of our little boxes, and it's a 3D box. You can buy them in the catalog, and I'll put the description and the tag number or the item number below, and put a little gift in there for them, such as cash. I can't do that for my mailman because they're not allowed to accept. United States Parcel Service is not allowed to, Postal Service is not allowed to accept cash, but they can take a small gift, which will be in there. So that's cute. There's 15 different stamps in here, and it's the photopolymer. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I know a lot of people got this when it came out back in June, but I didn't, so now I have it. And then the last thing I wanted to talk to you about is I picked up some brochures, and this is for Paper Pumpkin. And Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription. It is a kit that comes to you once a month. You order it by the 10th of every month, and then the following month you get it. It comes with everything you need to make the project that they've outlined in the kit. So you get the stamp set, you get the ink, you get the paper, you get the embellishments, you get it all. And it's all there for you to use. You can use the examples that they give you, or you can do alternatives. Now, if you belong to my team, ShaysStampers.net or ShaysStampers.stampinup.net. Oh, that's a mouthful of S's. ShaysStampers.stampinup.net. If you join my team, you'll get a private video that you'll be invited to. And when my paper pumpkin comes, and I know that everybody else has received theirs, I make a video and you can watch it. As I said, it's private, so only my subscribers will see it. It'll be on YouTube. But anyhow, I put together the kit and I do one of the examples that they give inside the kit. And then I do an alternative. So you have different ideas of what you can do with it. Sometimes they're note cards. Sometimes they're pillow boxes to put something in. Sometimes they're a little 2-inch box that you put together with little tags. Sometimes they're full-size greeting cards. You never know what you're going to get with Paper Pumpkin, but you can be guaranteed it's going to be fabulous. I love it. So you get a ink spot. Usually you get some kind of linen thread or baker's twine or something. You get pieces of paper that you pop out for making tags and banners. You get your cards. You get your DSP. You get everything. And the first kit you get, if you order a subscription where it comes every month, then the first one you get is a stamp block. You get a stamp block, so you have something to stamp with. And you get to keep all of this and use it however you wish. It is a wonderful, wonderful way to get involved in stamping without investing, for all of the equipment that most of us demonstrators have and the long list of supplies that we use to make our cards. But you have to remember a lot of it is non-consumable. So you get to use it year after year over and over and over again, such as your stamp set. Your ink pads, oh my gosh, they last for years without being inked up again. It's just wonderful. And if you get month-to-month subscription, it's $22 per month, and that includes your shipping directly to your door. You don't go through me. Although you order through me, it comes directly to you. Or you can get a prepaid subscription, save yourself $1 a month, and you can get 1 month for $21, 3 months for $63, 6 months for $114, or the 12 months for $220, excuse me. So that's buy one, get one free. I'm sorry, buy 11, get one free. Buy 11, get one free. So you're only paying for 11 months. Actually, yeah. So anyhow, 22 times 10 is 220. Oh, that's if you go a month to month. So anyhow, that's how that works. And it's a wonderful way to get your feet wet into rubber stamping. I highly recommend it. And I would love to have you join my team. So that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And if I were you, I'd rush right over to Stampinup.com, type in Shays Stampers, or you can go to www.shaysstampers.stampinup.net, and that'll take you directly to my online store, and you can pick up all of these wonderful goodies that are on sale right now in the clearance aisle. So get to it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.